1937 to 1945 Volkswagen, People's Car in German, was founded on 28 May 1937 in Berlin as the Gesellschaft zur Vorbereitung des Deutschen Volkswagens mbH, limited liability company, for the preparation of the German People's Car, abbreviated to GESVR, by the National Socialist Deutsche Arbeitsfront, German Labor Front. The purpose of the company was to manufacture the Volkswagen car, originally referred to as the Porsche Type 60, then the Volkswagen Type 1, and commonly called the Volkswagen Beetle. 1945 to 1970 and 1951 Volkswagen Beetle. After the war in Europe, in June 1945, Major Ivan Hurst of the British Army Royal Electrical and Mechanical Engineers, REM, took control of the bomb-shattered factory and restarted production, pending the expected disposal of the plant as war reparations. However, no British car manufacturer was interested. The vehicle does not meet the fundamental technical requirement of a motor car. It is quite unattractive to the average buyer. To build the car commercially would be a completely uneconomic enterprise. In 1948, the Ford Motor Company of USA was offered Volkswagen, but Ernest Breech, a Ford executive vice president, said he didn't think either the plant or the car was worth a damn. Breech later said that he would have considered merging Ford of Germany and Volkswagen, but after the war, ownership of the company was in such dispute that nobody could possibly hope to be able to take it over. As part of the industrial plans for Germany, large parts of German industry, including Volkswagen, were to be dismantled. Total German car production was set at a maximum of 10% of the 1936 car production numbers. The company survived by producing cars for the British Army, and in 1948 the British government handed the company back over to the German state, and it was managed by former Opel chief Heinrich Nordhoff. 1970 to 2000. From the late 1970s to 1992, the acronym VAG was used by Volkswagen AG as a brand for group-wide activities, such as distribution and leasing. Contrary to popular belief, VAG had no official meaning and was never the name of the Volkswagen Group. On 30 September 1982, Volkswagen made its first step expanding outside Germany by signing a cooperation agreement with the Spanish car manufacturer SEAT SA. In order to reflect the company's increasing global diversification from its headquarters and main plant, the Volkswagen in Wolfsburg, on 4 July 1985, the company name was changed again to Volkswagen Aktiengesellschaft, Volkswagen AG. On 18 June 1986, Volkswagen AG acquired a 51% controlling stake in SEAT, making it the first non-German subsidiary of the Volkswagen Group. On 23 December the same year, it became the Spanish company's major shareholder by increasing its share up to 75%. 2000 to present. On 30 May 2000, Volkswagen AG, after having gradually raised its equity share, turned Skoda Auto into a wholly owned subsidiary. From 2002 up to 2007, the Volkswagen Group's automotive division was restructured so that two major brand groups with different profile would be formed. The Audi brand group, focused on more sporty values, consisted of Audi, Seat and Lamborghini, and the Volkswagen brand group, on the field of classic values, consisted of Volkswagen, Skoda, Bentley and Bugatti, with each brand group's product vehicles and performance being respectively under the higher responsibility of Audi and Volkswagen brands.